So I am recording this session for you just to review what we did yesterday. So this is going to be a really quick video. But yesterday we did this problem. Plus over v minus 4. So we did this problem. We did some other, I think these are considered like rational functions, quadratic functions, complex functions, but we do this in steps. And so step 1 is simplifying any of our denominators. In this case, they're fairly simplified. This is a denominator of 1 because there's an invisible 1 down there. So then the next step was determining our restrictions. And so we do that by setting our denominator to 0. We can look at it and just guess like, okay, my restriction v cannot be positive 4, but I can still set my denominator to 0. And then if we add 4 to both sides, we know that v cannot equal 4 because that's when v minus 4 or the denominator will equal 0. So it can't be v or can't be 4. After we determine our restrictions, then we determine our denominator by combining all of the denominators into 1. And I say that to say we combine the unique denominators into 1. So v minus 4 is one unique denominator. So I'm not going to combine this one and this one. They're the same denominator. So I'm combining the unique denominators. So our LCD ends up being v minus 4 times 1. And by combining, we're multiplying them, but I put that in quotes because we're not going to multiply them out, but we are multiplying them or combining them with multiplication in between. So then this ends up being our LCD. The next step is we multiply by our LCD to get rid of the LCD in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply this side by my LCD, v minus 4. It's like v minus 4 over 1. And this is also like v minus 4 over 1. And I'm distributing it to each term. This is a term, and this is a term split up by the plus sign, and this is a term split up by the equal sign. So v minus 4 times 1 is going to be v minus 4. Then we have v plus 2 over v minus 4 times v minus 4 over 1. I don't know why I put this all in parentheses. You don't have to do that, but I'm just separating it out so we see that plus sign is in between my two terms. And then this is my other term times v minus 4 over 1, just all in these parentheses. Is a different color. So then when I multiply these two right here, this cancels here. So then we end up with v plus 2 over the top and 1 on the bottom, which we know what that is. It's just v plus 2. Then we have our plus sign that we're not going to drop. And then we have these that cancel right here, which gives us 7v minus 42 over 1, which we know what that is. And then from here, we are going to solve by combining our like terms, our v's here, which is 8v, and then our other like terms are constants, which makes that minus 40. We got v minus 4 over here. And then I want to get v by itself, so we're just going to do some combining. And I can subtract 8v on that side. So then I end up with negative 7v equals negative 36 divided by negative 7 divided by negative 7, v equals 36 over 7. So that's what we did for this problem here.